So back in the big eyes on rail Fane landing. Here is CSX L301. You can see out in distance here. We're milepost 27 mile from where he's at. He's just now cleared milepost 28. Anyway, here's 301 right now. CSX L301. Here's right now there is with SD50 locomotive. Of course, due to daylight savings time, the moon's out and it's pitch black due to daylight savings time. So yeah, these are now gates are activating on 32nd Street right now. Here we go. Back up a little bit. Here's right there. There he is. There he is. SD50 right now. Here we go. Talking the 32nd Street crossing. He should be activating here at just crossing here fairly soon. At 26 and 24 should be activating here very soon. Fairly soon. Here we go. There he is right now. There he is. See it right there? There it is. There they go. See if we can get you a picture. Here we go. And a good video. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos on Rail Finland and out.